We have a whole basket of flowers here. Look, we have some berries. I love these little wild peas. Little tendrils on the wild peas. Look at these little tiny daisies. We call these bunny tails. Do you guys have bunny tails? I don't know if they have another name. So we start twisting. And twisting and twisting. They're so delicate and so tiny. I feel kind of clumsy. Clumsy indeed. A bit of a knot tire there. Some thread will work. These are just such tiny, tiny plants to twist together. I had to use some thread. So delicate, so tiny. But you just keep wrapping and wrapping, and they'll look nice in the photographs. Snip. Snip, snip. Some more twisting, more wrapping and spinning. And making little tiny crowns for little tiny heads. So if you're doing this for yourself, you'll want to make bigger plants, pick larger stems. Little bunny tails are just gorgeous and they look so cute. They kind of match with the oregano there. These little tiny tendrils, look at them. I don't want to break them. I got to be very careful. We have 1, 2. They're so precious. They're so little. I know they look a little crusty, a little beat, but they're for putting on my leather face witches. There's going to be a festival. There's going to be a wedding in September. I just love these little golden colored berries here. So just a little more snip, a little more trim. Tidy up those loose ends. And look, I'm laughing because you're just so tiny. Just one more little thing here. I want to put a little bit of those yellow berries on this tiny crown just to bulk it up, give it some dimension. You don't have to just work with flowers when you do this kind of thing. And there they are. Aren't they cute? They're my darlings. So be sure to subscribe. I'll see you at the wedding in September. Bye-bye.